Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy new listing coins on Kucoin. So right here in Kucoin, just open up the app, scroll down a little and you'll go to new. So you will start the new coins right here and you will check them out. So these are the recently new coins that have been listed, and you can change and you can actually see those that have been doing well and have been doing great. So let's go with Chill Guy right here. So as you can see, it has been a newly listed coin, top 17 in popularity. So let's go 8 hours right here. And as you can see, it has plummeted ever since. So this is a good opportunity to buy. And of course, do your own research on what you are buying. So you can buy this new listed coin on KuCoin by pressing buy, and then you're going to be able to trade it with the spot paired Chill Guy and USDT. So you can buy a limit order or you can do a market order and confirm. So there, it'll give you the best market price right now, which is listed right here in the middle with 0.3782. So you will place here the amount of USDT you want to trade for Chill Guy and then buy Chill Guy. So there you go guys, that is how you buy a new listing coin on KuCoin.